Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add Wix video background for a dynamic homepage. So adding a Wix video background makes your homepage dynamic and engaging, and make sure it's high quality for fast loading and doesn't distract from your content. And in this video, I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how you can simply add a video background for a dynamic homepage. So let's get started, and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing to do, which is the first step, is to log on to your Wix account. Then select your website, then click on edit site. Then from there, you have to add a background. You have to add a background to a stream. Then click on add, which is the plus icon. Then click on stream. Then click on blank strip. Then after that, click the strip. Then select change strip background. Then click video and choose from your your Wix free videos or preloaded library. Then upload your own video. Then insert a YouTube or a Vimeo link. Then click on apply to set the video. Then after that, you have to click on add, which is on which is the plus icon. Then click on stream for full width stream. Then select change stream background. Then click on select video. Then after that, upload or choose a Wix provided video and click on apply. Then after that, click the video stream and select the settings. Then you can also click on adjust to adjust the previous these follow settings, which is to enable the play automatically or enable for continuous play. You can also add a semi-transparent layer for text readability, and also you can also add a option for speed and playback option. After that, you can click to save changes. Then after that, you can also click the plus icon, then click on text and choose a headline or a paragraph. Then drag the text box over the video background. Then add a CTA button, which is for learn more or shop now. Then after that, click the preview to check how the video looks. You can also adjust the settings if needed. Then click on publish when you're satisfied, and then your website will go live. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to add video background for a dynamic homepage on Wix. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.